Hello guys, welcome to the Ophthalmology at a Glance, and today I'll be talking about the rings in ophthalmology. We have got so many rings in ophthalmology, and there was this lot of requests that we can discuss about these rings in a quick pattern. So looking at the very first image, this is your ring keratitis. Where do you get this ring? This is actually your ring which you get in acanthamoeba. This you get in acanthamoeba keratitis. Quickly remember, this acanthamoeba keratitis, which is also giving you the radial keratoneuritis. This will give you the pain out of proportion of the size of the ulcer, and the most important risk factor is the contact lenses. Now always remember that the most important risk factor here is the use of contact lenses, but the other way is not true. That is, the most common infection in a contact lens user is a pseudomonas and not acanthamoeba. All right. Now coming to the second one, what is this? This is your Somering's ring cataract. This is your Somering's ring cataract. Now you will tell me, where do you get? This is also called as the secondary cataract, after cataract, which is due to the posterior capsular opacification. Yes, so we get two kind of after cataracts after the cataract surgery. One is your Elshing's pearl cataract and another is ring shaped cataract. All right. Now coming to the other one, this is actually the Fleischer's ring. This is called as Fleischer's ring. Where do you get the Fleischer's ring? Fleischer's ring is found in the keratoconus. Don't confuse it with the KF ring. KF ring is found in the Wilson's disease, inborn error of the copper metabolism. There you have got the copper deposition. In the Fleischer's ring we have got the iron deposition, and this iron deposition takes place at the base of the triangle. So this is your Fleischer's ring that is found in the keratoconus. Next is your Vossius ring. Can you appreciate this pigmented ring? This is called as Vossius ring. Where do you get this Vossius ring? Vossius ring is found in the blunt trauma, and due to the blunt trauma, what is happening? This is the most common cause of the blunt trauma, the fist injury or the punch injury. There is an imprint of the circular edge of the iris. Okay, usually the constricted pupil, it is imprinting on the anterior capsule of the lens. This is called as a Vossius ring. Very, very typical. You can get this kind also and this type also. This you are getting in cases of the blunt trauma. Then we have got another ring. This ring is called as V's ring. Now what is this V's ring? This is actually the detachment of the vitreous at the site of attachment of the optic disc. This circular ring is called as the V's ring. So I can say this is actually representing the PVD, peripheral vitreous detachment, and in rare or very uncommon cases it can lead to a retinal tear also, and retinal tear can lead to retinal detachment and so on. Okay, then we have got very famous double ring sign. What is this double ring sign? Double ring sign you get in cases of the hypoplasia. In cases of the hypoplasia of the optic disc. In cases of the hypoplasia of the optic disc, you are getting a small sized optic disc, and what you are getting? One is your small sized optic disc, and surrounding this is the ring which is corresponding to the normal size of the optic disc. This is called as the double ring sign. All right. Then we have this golden ring. Golden ring is actually not a pathological ring. This is actually seen after we have a successful hydrodelineation in the cataract surgery. Hydrodelineation means when you are separating with the help of a basal salt solution, you are separating the nucleus from the epinucleus. That is called as hydrodelineation, not a mandatory step in every case. All right. Then you have got this corneal rust ring. Corneal rust ring is due to the iron deposition, and it can be due to the iron foreign body. Then we have got the KF ring that I told you. This is iconic. It has been asked so many times, and if you remember, this was asked as an image based question in NEET. In NEET 2018, okay, this One is your KF ring, okay, and this one is actually due to the deposition of copper. Now you should know in which layer of cornea it is present. These are the questions for you. You have to tell me in which layer of the cornea you will get this KF ring, okay. Is it reversible or not? Is it reversible or not? And your third question is, what kind of cataract are you expecting in this person? What kind of cataract? Is it associated with normal levels of ceruloplasmin? Okay, and then you have to tell me how many patients of the Wilson's disease are associated with the neural involvement and with the hepatic involvement. So all these questions have been discussed by me in the classes. Okay, you can answer these questions. So this was a quick review about the rings in ophthalmology. I hope you liked the session. Thank you and happy ophthalmology.